founded in 2013, Gateio has strived to provide users the best trading experience in the last 8 years. In terms of trading volume, Gateio now is one of the top 10 crypto exchanges listing crypto assets that are in great quality and have a high rate of return. So if you're a new trader and interested in this exchange, this video is for you because in this video, we're going to show you how to create your own account and enable KYC on this exchange. And besides, just by clicking on the referral link or using our referral code in the description below, you can get 20% off all trading fees. Now let's jump into the video. So first, just make sure that you have the Gateio app on your phone. If you haven't got one, just go to the App Store to download it. Now open the app. Now you can see the interface and features of Gateio. It's quite similar to other exchange. Here is your wallet. And of course you can't see it because you haven't logged in. So tap on Please Log In to create your own account. This is where you're gonna log in, so tap on Register to create your account. As you can see here, you can register with your phone number and your email, but here I would choose phone numbers. First, choose your countries and then fill in your phone number. Now you need to set your login password. Make sure it's strong enough. And then your fun password. Now this is important. This is a chance for you because you can get 20% off all trading fee if you use our referral code or just register by clicking on our referral link. They are all in the description, so please scroll down to find it. Here I would type in our referral code and tap register. Now you need to complete the puzzles for verification. And then there will be a code sent to your phone number. You just need to type it in here and then confirm. And you have just successfully registered. Now please log in your account. And one more time, complete the puzzle. When you log in your account, the app wants you to enable one of the two-factor authentications. So you just need to fill in the code that you receive on your phone number to link your phone number to your account. Now you can see your wallet and the home screen of the app. And it's time to hire your account security strength. Go to your account and tap on Security Center. Now you can see here your security strength now is weak, so you need to link your email and verify the Google Authenticator. Just start with link your email first. Fill in your email, and then you need to fill in the email code and SMS code. You just simply tap on Send to receive the code. Go to your email, copy and paste the code back to the Gateio app, and similar to the SMS code. And then you need to fill in your fun password. And then tap Bind. You're done linking your email to your accounts. So now we're gonna move to the KYC verifications. Tap on Personal. Now you can see here the first red line is your Gateio ID. Now choose your countries and fill in your name. Then choose a type of certificate to verify your account, which could be your national ID, your passport, or your driver license. Here I would choose my national ID. And then I would fill in my ID number in here. And now you need to take the front and back photo of your ID card. And now the last picture. You need to take a picture of yourself holding the note that have the Gateio ID and a type your type of sophisticate that you have chosen above. When you're done, tap on confirm and submit. Now you can see the review process is pending now. And there is still one more task that you need to do, that is verify the Google Authenticator. It's a bit more complicated, but don't worry, you just need to follow the step that I did on the screen. So now just tap on Google Authenticator. You can see here there is a private key of Google Authenticator. However, we will come back to it later. So now what you need to do is fill in the SMS code and your phone password. Tap send, and then you will receive a SMS code via your phone number. Type it in here and then fill in your phone password. And now come back to the private key above. If you haven't got the Google Authenticator app on your phone, please download it on the App Store. So now what you need to do is copy the private key and go to the Google Authenticator app. Choose enter a set of key. And now you need to fill in the account details. I would choose a name for my account here, and then I would paste the code that I have just copied on the Gateio app, and then tap add. And this is your Google Authenticator code. You just need to copy it and paste it back here, and then tap enable Google Authenticator. So now the Google Authenticator of your account is verified. And you can see that the security strength of your account now is turned to strong. You can start trading and making transactions on your account. If you are looking for a complete walkthrough of any crypto changes, please check out the links down below. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe to Kayak Master, and also turn on the notification bells for more tutorials. We still have a lot of bonuses and promos that we can't wait to share with you guys. See you in the next video.